Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. And Demi. Wanted to introduce this dance to you by Blake Shelton. It's so fun. It's called God's Country. And what I realized is there are 8 or 9 different choreographers for this dance. So you will see many different versions of this dance. But what I wanted to show you was the version we're doing here in Southern California. Enjoy! God's Country by Blake Shelton. Here we go. Let's learn it. 32 counts. Here we go. Are you ready? 4 walls. First 8. 2 lock steps with a scuff. So starting with the right foot, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff. Good. With counts, first 8 with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. On the last scuff, don't scuff that way. Scuff towards the left because the next 8 we're going to cross with our right foot. So that's the first 8. Second 8 is a jazz box with a cross, starting with the right foot, jazz box, side, cross. Yes. One more time. Second 8 begins with a jazz box with a cross. Cross, behind, step, cross. Now we do a weave and a hold. So we do right, left, right, hold. Okay. One more time, the steps and then with counts. Second 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jazz box with a cross and a weave behind, hold. Good. Okay, counts. Second 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Awesome. Let's put those first 2 together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, jazz box with a cross and a weave and a hold. Hold. Good. Okay, so we just finished the third 8. We just finished our weave, going behind first, and a hold. Hold 8. Now we do some more holds. We do a rock, recover, hold. Left foot, rock to left foot crosses, rock, recover. So it's left, right, left, hold. Okay, so we just did our jazz box with a cross and a weave and a hold. Cross with the left, cross, recover, and hold. Now we're going to do 2 half turns with holds. 2 half turns, starting with the right foot, turning to 6 o'clock. Hold, left, pick up the left, hold. So this has some holds on it. So we just finished our weave, hold. Left foot starts, cross, rock, hold, turn, half turn, half turn. Good. Okay, with counts. We just finished our weave, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Yes. Okay, with counts. One more time. The third 8 with the holds. So we start with our left foot, cross, recover, hold. So 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Good. Good. Let's put those first 3 together and we'll do the last 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, jazz box with a cross, weave, and a hold, rock, and a hold, and a half turn, and a hold. Okay, good. Last, a jazz box, starting with the right foot, with a quarter turn to the 3 o'clock wall, taking 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on your last one, your left. Step forward with your right, hold 1 count. Step forward with your left, hold 1 count. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. Last 8 with counts. 5, 6, starts with a jazz box turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. One more time. Last 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. And you're ready to do your second wall. No tags, no restarts, 4 walls. So let's do it on both walls and you're ready. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock, step with a scuff. Lock, step with a scuff. Jazz box with a cross, weave, and a hold. A rock, and a hold, and a turn, and a turn. Jazz box. Step, hold. Okay, this wall. Up to speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Jazz box. Step, hold. You've got it. God's country. Enjoy it.